Today I'm going to show you how to remove window film from this roll up and down window and its glue using this Jiffy steamer and a few other tools. I'll go over the tools with you. I like the 3M Scotch-Brite scrub pad to remove the glue. After removing the film, a razor blade if you need it, a red dot olfa knife with a stainless steel blade to get back in the edges, a soft microfiber towel to wipe down the door panel and the edges, and a squeegee for cleaning. You're also going to need some isopropyl alcohol and water to clean it when you're done, and some soapy water to help the razor blade slide. Mix your isopropyl alcohol 50-50. That can vary a little bit, no big deal there. This you want to mix about a ½ ounce to this liter bottle, roughly, to get the razor blade to slide. I'll start today. First thing that you want to do is have the window rolled down on the vehicle so you can get to this top edge. If you can see that top edge there, I'm going to go ahead and open up this box razor blade. I'm going to spray this window wet, if you want to zoom in here. And then just take the box blade and start on that top edge like that. And then just peel the film down a little bit there and get it going. And then I like to get it going this way a little bit too. Okay. Okay, get the film started. I'll go ahead and grab the steamer, which we already had warmed up, like the Jiffy steamer. And just heat up the film. Be careful not to burn yourself or melt any of the plastic with it. Just warm up the film here. This releases the adhesive and also makes it easier to pull off. So you'll spend a minute doing that. We'll get that started. And then we'll hang that back up there and point it away. And then we'll kind of get this film started here. Get it going down a little further. And if it tears on you like that, just go ahead and grab your blade again and just start the corner again. And just get the film coming down like that. Once you get it down so far, just go ahead and heat right out ahead of where you're going like this. There's this line where it's at, so right in below there. Sometimes based on different manufacturers of films, we found that heating like above where you're pulling up on the glass will actually release the glue a little bit better. Most of the time, heating the film ahead of where you're going is best. And it will get hot on your fingers there, so just be aware of that when you're first starting. You're kind of close to the steam, so you might want to steam and then pull a little bit. You can see that this particular brand of film is leaving some glue there. This is going to help reduce some of the glue that it's going to leave, but it also makes it a lot easier to pull the film off. It just kind of comes off like butter there. And then, like I was saying, sometimes you can heat on this side of the film and it will leave a little bit less glue. I personally like to heat this side, get it nice and warm. We'll come back up here, heat this edge here. Point that away, pull on that film down there. Just keep heating and pulling there. Like to heat back in that edge. Careful not to burn yourself there. Gets a little warm. Keep heating and pulling that down. up over here and get this down past that point right there so we can roll the window up. Before I roll the window up, I like to get the glue off of this top edge so it's not sticky when it goes up in there. So I'll take my soapy water bottle, spray that top edge, and take my blade and just run it along the glass here and get that glue off of there. There are a few vehicles out there that have coated glass that if you use a razor blade on it, you can damage the coating. So just make sure that it doesn't have a coating on it. You know what those vehicles are. The way to tell is usually it'll have kind of a greenish color or a bronzish color to it, and you can kind of tell. It feels a little bit different. It looks a little different. This is clear glass, so we're safe here. If it has a coating on it, you can go to this soft pad and just scrub the glue off. That takes quite a bit longer than a razor blade, but it's a lot safer. So I'm going to go ahead and just get the glue off the top part of this window really quick here. You always want the glass to be wet when you're razor blading, so if it starts drying out, just get it wet again. It also softens the glue. So you just scrape along there. Get the glue off right there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and roll the window up now that I have the glue off the top edge there. And then I'm going to walk around and clean the outside of the glass so that I can see really well as I'm cleaning it what glue might be left on there. Okay. Now that that's clean, I can see a little bit better. Go ahead and get a little bit more water on there. I'm going to go ahead and grab another blade. I like to keep a sharp blade. I know I haven't done that much, but I've been on the edge of the glass, and sometimes that can dull the blade. And so a nice sharp one, as you can see now, it's working a lot better. Sometimes when you hit that top edge of the glass with the blade, it actually dulls part of the blade. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed a new one. I noticed that. Okay, we'll come back to glue in a minute, but a few things that I want to point out is if you have your fingers on the back side of the blade like this, and you come over, you just let your fingers hit the glass and you press along, it'll scrape the glue off really nice. You don't want to get up on the point of the blade, like on this corner right here, and you don't want to cut like that. You can etch the glass that way, so you just want to slide like this on the glass and keep it wet. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and grab my steamer here. And I'm going to actually, before I start grabbing, I'm going to go ahead and just warm that up for a minute. Okay, and then I'll just start pulling the film. This particular brand is leaving most of the glue. A lot of times this steamer will make it to where it leaves only about half the glue, or sometimes not any glue at all. But it definitely helps release it, so it just pulls right off really easy, and it softens the glue up really nice. Again, be careful not to burn your hand with this steamer or the car's door panel. Always be careful when using steam. You can see the film just pulls right off once you've steamed it. Okay, and then I'll hang that back up and point it out of the way. Go ahead and spray the window with some soapy water. And go back to the blade. So I got a nice sharp blade now, and it just removes it. What I like to do is if I'm scraping the glue, I don't move over the width of the razor blade every time. I just move over half and just kind of overlap the pattern. It makes it a little easier. And you can see now that glue is really soft from the steamer. And now we're just gonna scrape it all off of here with this razor blade. Be careful. I like to dive the blade back in the edge, but be careful not to cut the rubber with the blade. And also don't nick the door panel. You don't want to hit the door panel and cut a hole in that with the razor blade. That would be a bad day. So just be careful. Make sure you get all the glue there. Get the little pieces from back in there. And then I like to spray that wet. And then I'll take my knife here and push the blade out. And you can use it to get back in where the box blade doesn't fit that well. And you can pull some of this glue out. You can use it back in here too. Just be careful. You can get it from back down in there. And you can also use it to get behind the gasket at the bottom. Always retract the blade. You can take your scrubby pad now and scrubby the window. Dive that pad back in the edge, down behind the door panel, back up in there. Okay, and then I'll take a blue paper towel, jam it back up in there and go down the side. Rotate to a clean spot on the towel and down. Rotate to another clean spot and down. Grab my rag, wipe off my squeegee before I put it on the glass. Do this all in one motion, bring in the water down all at one time with the contaminants. Now you can see why it was important we clean the outside of that before we started so that we can see what we're dealing with there. Take this rag here and wipe off the truck, the gasket, the top of the door panel. And now you've got a nice clean window and you can go along. This all looks really good. There's a little bit of glue I can see right there now that it's clean, so I can just take my box blade in there like that. I was able to get that with the box blade. If I wasn't, I could take my knife, get in there just a little bit further like that on each side and get the glue out of those edges. And now you've got that tint and all the glue off. So steamer, box blade, scrubby pad, Olfa knife for edges, and a squeegee for cleaning, a rag for wiping down. If you don't have one of these covers, that's okay. Just keep the water wiped up as you go so you don't get run marks on your door panel. Remind you to like and subscribe to our channel if you liked what you saw today. We appreciate you watching. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to drop them in the messages down below and I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thank you.